What? Oh, you're taking off. What's it, guys? Let's get it started. Too full?
Yeah. It's on out, didn't you? Put it in there.
Uh-huh. See, it seems like it's a little sludgy on top. Does that mean it needs to be hotter?
It's got to be hot. Yeah.
Hotter?
Hot. Especially down here. See,
Yeah.
It ain't broke through here, through the flume yet.
Yeah. Well, your mop's thawed.
Yeah. Look, run your mop near your flume here. Bring your mop. Yeah.
It's real close.
Chick-fil-A.
Yeah. Canada Park, Jake wanted us to go get some Chick-fil-A.
We didn't get no breakfast like y'all.
Yeah.
Y'all done it.
Yeah.
You said what?
It.
Yeah.
It's an old movie. All right, Dad, look, go see what you can get lined up. Hey, listen, you do it how we do it, okay?
Teach me.
Okay.
Teach me.
Okay.
Don't let,
You got your rolls up there. Okay.
yep. What? Where's my car? Hold on, first of all, you don't put your hand. First step.
See that gravel? Look at the marshals.
Oh, he's rough.
I was starting in the middle of something that you would laugh it over. You wouldn't have that complied on top of each other. This was a couple of before.
Marshall, you got so much of that stuff still looking.
You're really supposed
Dry.
to be about a half an inch over.
Let me look right here. You go past your lines. There you go.
Be a little shy of more than without. Be a little shy. Somebody needs to do
Well, actually, so when you put the car,
Now you need to add your drums, Jacob.
I did. By myself.
It ain't too full.
It was about to overflow.
Here, use it.
All right, I'm about to swap Ken. Well, no.
You still got something there.
Yeah.
That's all right.
All right. Oh, my bad. Chill, guys. Marshall, grab that can. Put it on here. Handle away from where the roll's gonna be.
Ooh, ow! Fuck. Here, hold it. Damn.
Who comes to a hot mop job, no gloves?
I didn't know. I think all of us.
You know what? That was hot?
It was hot.
We don't use cold tar.
Motherfucker's hot.
He thought you were gonna use plastic cement, Dad. Oh wait, we're going to this middle line,
Yeah,
huh?
you
Got
gotta
the
keep
pipes
going.
in again. huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get my high top.
We ain't just like that yet.
Twirl it.
Why is starting so short?
Huh? Look, get that corner now. Now look, did you roll it all the way out? Make sure it was straight?
Yeah, we rolled it out pretty far. I mean, unless you guys did
Uh-huh.
something. Unless y'all did something right there.
No, I didn't roll it out.
You ain't moving that, Marshall.
Yeah, bunch of hats, son. I knew it.
Marshall.
Landon caught it from the ladder.
That's
I had to step on the rock.
Watch out. All right, come on.
You going?
Come on.
We can't fix it?
No, go. It's getting cold. Get it all against the road. You need some tar in there. Put some tar in there. Yep. This is how you roll one out, guys. I know y'all know how to roll one up. This is how you roll one out. Look at that. See how I'm pushing in?
Down while you're doing it.
Yeah. You can't sit there. It's hard to text and do this, JC.
It's hard to text and do this. You got any text?
Marshall, you too. Daddy's crossing that line. Tell him.
No.
You stupid son of a bitch.
Is your brain warped?
Dad said he does that one more time. I'm gonna hit him so hard. I'm gonna fold that shirt with him in it.
That's how you roll in this street. You fold shirts with people in them.
Hold on. You got a rock right here because you warped.
Look at JC's problem.
It does look like JC's, actually.
I get blamed for that.
Good job. You're doing good. Thick. More. You're already too low. More.
Like a pizza lady told me.
He never cleaned his ears. Look, they're already an inch and a half off the line. Wonder who did that. Watch them feet.
We need to make another one.
Another bucket?
Another.
Here's a bucket.
No, another row. You want another hole?
Another roll.
Well,
Hold on, Dad. We need another roll.
well, that's up with you.
No, hold on. You want to put another ply?
What to be a 2-ply? See,
I thought we doubled it.
we did till right here.
Oh, a P. You're right. The half. Yeah, absolutely. Are we out?
No, we got.
No, we got the other half right there. No, look, we got the other half right there. Yeah.
Yeah, but
There's
the
that half
other
cut.
The other half will only reach to right here. That's not
to the other.
to be truly double. It's got to come to the 4th line.
I ain't worried about that.
Not worried about that. Okay.
I mean, what do you think?
No. No, but put it on and put
I
it
mean,
on.
truthfully, we could have done a flood coat. This is way better.
I know that's a whole.
You know.
Yeah.
But I want some hot up here. I'm ready to mop this down. I want to mop this down.
Oh, that's fun, man. Mopping it down. We just pour it out.
Just mop it out. fun.
That is-
You see how fun they were back in the day? That's fun. Y'all, hey boys, y'all wanna go to the beach this weekend? Y'all go flood coat some roof. Flood coat, Dad. Flood coat, Dad.
Hot. In other words, when you start flood coating, we'd shoot the gravel in hot.
How do you shoot it in?
Well, shovels, and you had again, you couldn't be warm because you can't shoot it on the clean part that he hadn't top mopped yet.
Oh, well, Marshall and them couldn't do that then. Looks like it's just up to me.
How we going right over?
Dad, of all your brothers, who is the most warped, you think? Yeah, right there. Here, grab that bucket.
You hear what I said, lady? Jacob comes over here and asks his dad, ask Mr. Greg, out of all of the brothers, who is the...
You don't see your reveal difference? Come on. All the way over. All the way over.
Get
No.
that close to your gravel.
There you go.
Okay.
You want to get on top of it, huh, Dad? Okay. Put your foot on it. Put your foot.
Right here.
Yeah.
You want me to do it?
No, you're warped.
Alright.
Hey, give me the other tub. Oh shit, I'm way past my line.
What are you doing? Talking about being warped.
We about to flood coat it right now.
Bad 2x4.
It's like when you heat.
All right, go ahead.
Heat treat a knife blade, you know. It's either treated or it's warped.
So that's right. What did I say? Put it down. Put it down. Put it down.
Hardened or
Put it down.
warped? You didn't harden right.
Dang, bro.
That's mine.
Here, Marshall.
Take over now?
Yep. Wash JC's hands.
Yeah, I wouldn't drip it on him.
And I'm out of the flood coach next. Right here. Wash where he is.
About that, Mr. Greg.
Yes, fine.
How many drums and tars do you think you've used?
Here,
No, in your life.
I didn't use that many like Carl. Like Carl, that's all he did was build guns.
Yeah, but with who?
Some of the family, some of the workers.
Oh, that's looking good.
Got one fish now before they put them on.
Oh yeah, hold on, Marshall.
What happened?
That's fish mouth. Oh yeah, Marshall then warped it up.
You got the rope. You got the on that sheet.
You got the rope. I walk.
Tell you what, I was surprised at how fast we did it.
It ain't leaking.
High
now.
five.
It ain't leaking now.
I just got my first high five from my dad
What?
ever.
He's all.
He don't know what to do. He's gonna get a hug next.
All right, go do it.
Yeah. All right.
Baby steps. Hold on.
Dad, did you ever love me? Remember that time I showed you how to use that flat tool in that valley? What do you think that is?
That's love, boy.
All right.